In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Zoom with your Calendly account and send Zoom links for your meetings. Calendly is a fantastic tool that simplifies scheduling by allowing others to book meetings with you based on your availability. When paired with Zoom, it becomes even more powerful for handling virtual meetings efficiently. Once you've logged into your Calendly account, you'll find yourself on the home page. Right off the bat, let's direct our attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Integrations and Apps. This is your first stop in enhancing your scheduling capabilities. Go ahead and click on it. Upon entering the Integrations page, you'll be presented with a variety of apps that you can connect to Calendly. While there are numerous options, our focus today is on Zoom, a leader in virtual communication. Scroll through or directly spot Zoom on this list and give it a click. When you choose Zoom, Calendly will prompt you to connect your Zoom account. This step is essential to automate the creation of Zoom meeting links alongside your event scheduling. Once connected, you're ready to start creating meetings that automatically generate Zoom links. Next, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and click Create. This option offers you the flexibility to set up either one-on-one or group meetings. For this tutorial, we're going to create a one-on-one meeting, which is perfect for personal consultations or interviews. After selecting the one-on-one option, a window will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you can name your meeting and specify its duration, tailoring it to either a quick chat or a comprehensive session based on your requirements. The next important step is selecting the meeting location. Under the location setting, choose Zoom. This will ensure that when someone books this meeting with you, a Zoom link will automatically be generated and included in the appointment details. Now, it's time to finalize the setup. Head to the bottom right corner and click on Create. This step will save your meeting preferences and populate Calendly with your new meeting type. With everything set up, you now have the option to preview the meeting you've just created. This preview lets you verify the meeting details, ensuring everything is as intended. The final step is to copy the link. You'll find a Copy Link button in the top corner. Clicking this allows you to share the meeting link via email, social media, or any other communication channel you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoom with Calendly and set up a meeting complete with a Zoom link, making your scheduling process not only easier, but also more efficient.